Instead of typing the same response over and over again or scrolling endlessly through chats looking for who you last sent a particular response to, you can use quick replies to respond to your customers on WhatsApp. In this video, I'll be showing you just how to do exactly that. To set up quick replies on WhatsApp, you click on tools. If you look at the bottom of my screen, you can see tools here. You click on tools, then look at quick replies here. You click on quick replies, then you click on this plus icon at the bottom, and then the first lines here says shortcut. So that shortcut is a word you are going to type when you are responding that will bring up this messages like a hint. Okay, so the example I'll be using now is, let's say I want to create a quick replies for the business account details. So here I'm gonna name it account details, so it doesn't allow space. So let me just say account details. Okay, I just want to add a figure at the back because I think I've saved this before. Okay, so here it says reply message. What do I want to send? So I want to put the business account details here. Okay, and the way I want it to send, so I'm going to say something like our account details are as follows, or I can even start with hello. So just the way I want it to appear when I send it to the client. So say our account details are as follows, and then I type in the rest, but I've already copied the account details, so I'm just gonna paste it here. So I can even add thank you, and then I'm going to save it. So the next time I want to reply a client with my account details, I'll just bring it up. So let me show you how to use this quick reply. So you can see it has brought it out. I can simply just send it to the client. So my quick reply has been sent. So each time I want to send that message, once I type forward slash, it's going to bring out my list of quick replies. I can just type the shortcut to bring out the particular one that I want to use. Thank you for watching. Bye.